Hello. On Shabbat, when you have a lot of laundry that you didn't have time to fold and to put away, you're allowed, if the house is messy and it causes you some discomfort being in such a house with a lot of laundry that isn't folded and put into place, you're allowed to fold it and place it in the right place, with being cautious not to do borer, not to separate and sort it according to what it is. So therefore, one is allowed to pick one of the clothing item, fold it, put it away. But he shouldn't take from the mess of all the clothings that are in pile, those that he wants right now. For instance, he would take all the socks out, because since there's a lot of clothing mixed in there, if you pick something that you want to pick out from the entire pile, that's the melacha of sorting, borer. But otherwise, folding in order to make the house neat for Shabbat is permitted. This is how the Mishnah Berurah is posek in Siman Shin Bet. This is how the Eliyahu Rabbah brings down. The Or Letzion says like this, halacha lemaaseh shmirat Shabbat kilchata brings this down. Although there are those that are machmir, like the Pri Chadash and the Ben Ish Chai, but lemaaseh, one is allowed if that's his purpose. But if he wants to fold the clothing in order to have less work after Shabbat, in order that the house should be ready for Motzei Shabbat without having a lot of work afterwards, that's not permitted. That's called preparing for a weekday, which is not permitted. It's only permitted if you're doing it for the honor of the Shabbat. So right now, you'll have the house clean. It's also much better if you do have a room that you can put on the side, put everything away in that place and don't deal with it if you don't have to.